Welcome to this short meditation designed to re-energize your body so that you can come back to your day feeling more vital and focused and make the most of the rest of your day. Find yourself a nice comfortable position. Allow your body to just nestle into the surface that you're on, feeling fully supported. And then think for a moment about the activities of your day so far. Just notice what's already happened today. Run it like a little movie behind your closed eyes. And now think about the rest of the day ahead of you. And be aware of how your mind moves from the past to the future and back again. So as you breathe out, just let the activity of your day so far dissipate. And have a sense that all of these things that have happened in your day so far and the things that you think will happen for the rest of the day are like a computer screen that's open in front of you with all your jobs on it, all the things you have to do, your documents, lots of open tabs on the internet, many things on the go. And you're slowly going to minimize all of those documents and tabs down. Not shutting your computer, just minimizing everything that's on there. Putting everything to one side for a moment. Bring your attention right into this moment where you've chosen to rest for a while. Let your mind rest by focusing on your breath. Notice your gentle inhale that expands your body and your luxurious exhale that sends waves of relaxation through your body. And as you breathe out, focus on your mouth and your face. And then the whole of your head. And as you exhale, focus on your neck and your shoulders. Noticing how your body automatically relaxes when you bring your attention to it with your breath. Just let that relaxation drop all the way down your arms with your next exhale. And now breathing out and sensing your whole torso. Down into your hips and pelvis. Noticing your legs, Sending your exhale all the way through your legs, right down to your toes. And then as you breathe out, becoming very conscious of your whole body. Allowing your attention to drop into the back of your body. Back of your head, back of your shoulders, your spine and your seat. All the way down the back of the legs and the arms. And just let your attention rest in the back of your body as you breathe out. Sensing with every exhale your mind and body landing in the present moment. Right here, right now, resting. Letting your body be held by the surface underneath you. Simply resting. Just letting go. And if your mind becomes a little impatient, sighing your exhale and just letting your attention move to the support that you feel underneath the back of your body. Fully supported, grounded here in the present moment. And think of your mind being as relaxed as your body. As if your thoughts are also relaxing and resting. Your mind able to relax because your body is relaxed. And your body able to relax because your mind is relaxed. Slow waves of relaxation moving through your body as you breathe out. sighing and softening. And now, very gently and slowly, begin to bring your attention back to the room that you're in or the space that you're in. Not disturbing this sense of ease and peace and relaxation in your mind and body, but rather bringing it back into your day with you. Very slowly letting your attention come out into the room, back into your day. Slowly and gently letting your body have a nice stretch. And sensing that imaginary computer screen again that holds the rest of your day. Sensing that you're only going to open one tab at a time. With breath in your body, sending waves of relaxation through your body even when you're on the go. Moving easily through the rest of your day, focusing on one task at a time. Fully awake now, opening your eyes, moving your body, gently emerging back into your day.